Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And here's another radio from Jeff's collection. This is the last of the group he brought me this time. It says next time he's going to bring me a number of radios that have the shortwave band, which will be excellent because shortwave reception is improving. So this is the Admiral AM/FM. It's model PRF901. Probably a 1980s vintage. He didn't know for sure. Let's take a look at it. There it is. He said this was so nasty that he put it in the sink and washed it. And then, of course, dried it out before he turned the radio on. But he got it cleaned up. If it was nasty, it's clean now. Has a carrying strap. Has the band switch selector. The earbud uses a 9-volt battery. AM and FM again. Telescopic antenna, which is about 30 inches long, pretty long. He did put in his notes that he had to use a lot of detoxit to get the switches and things working. He had a lot of problem with this band switch. So we'll see how it goes. Ooh, I gotta try to keep that glare down. I still haven't got my setup down here in my workshop the way I want it, the lighting and the audio. But anyway, we're moving on. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Okay, I got it turned on. Let's go, let me see what we're doing here. Whoa, here it's on. Oh, yeah, it's on. Okay, let's go to the beginning of the AM band. And I would turn the volume back up. This is tuning. This is volume on off.
Today for Randall Cobb and Aaron Rodgers, your players of the night. That's the Rivard Buick GMC.
Little tinny. Not bad. Let me see if I can get this a little closer so you can see it. My webcam that I'm using doesn't want to focus perfectly. Probably could have to do with the lighting.
You're in Tampa. There's songs I...
Trying to keep the glare off of. Not bad. Okay, now what I had it set on was the FM band when I turned it on, and I didn't hear anything. So let's go back to the FM band, and we'll turn the volume up, and I don't hear anything. So this switch is acting up once again. Try flipping it a couple of times. Yeah, I can't hear anything. Nope, it's trying. I don't want to break the switch. Try pushing on it a little bit. Jiggle it a little bit. Nope, I cannot get I can't get any audio when switching to FM. Try it a little bit more up. AM, FM. AM. Oh, I had there a second. Oh, it's trying. Let me turn it up. Let me tune a little bit. No, sorry, I'm not going to be able to show you the FM performance. The switch needs to be cleaned once again. So that's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be great. If you haven't used my Amazon store, in each of the descriptions under each of the videos is a link to my Amazon store. And I get, if you use my Amazon store, you go to my Amazon store, which is just a web page in Amazon. So you're dealing totally with Amazon. I don't have any merchandise or any inventory or anything. You're dealing with Amazon. But if you go through that link and you buy something, I get a small commission, and I use that small commission to buy things to review. Isn't that cool? And you don't have to buy what's in my store. While you're there, if you go to other parts of Amazon and you buy something, I still get a commission. I've had people buy birdseed and vitamins. I get a commission because they went through that link. Now, once you leave Amazon, then the link is broken. I don't get any commission anymore. You have to go through that link. I'd appreciate it if you do that, and have a great day. Bye-bye.